EPS, XPS cement external wall, insulation sandwich panel equipment. EPS, XPS foam panel is in the middle and cement mortar layer is on both sides. It is mainly used for wall and floor insulation. The equipment is composed of panel production line and cutting production line. The panel production line is composed of automatic EPS, XPS foam panel loading machine, automatic turnover machine, automatic mixing system, mesh cloth cutting device and automatic panel unloading machine, etc. The cutting production line is composed of automatic panel loading machine, transverse cutting saw, pushing machine, longitudinal cutting machine, and automatic stacking machine. Automatic panel loading machine. Mixing system. Mesh and scraping device. Mesh cloth automatic cutting device. Automatic panel unloading machine. Cutting on-seat display. Automatic loading machine. Longitudinal cutting. Transverse cutting. Automatic palletizing. Finished panel, mesh cement at EPS, XPS panel, add mesh cement. Production site display. Forklift transports EPS XPS boards into the loading machine. The board machine EPS, XPS board is output to the production line. Sand, cement and other raw materials enter the metering silo through the screw conveyor. Enter the horizontal mixer through the metering system. The evenly mixed material is poured on the EPS XPS panel in the production line. Lay cement mortar and mesh cloth, and scrape the slurry through the scraper device. MSH cloth automatic cutting device cut off glass fiber mesh cloth. The fully automatic panel unloading machine transport the finished panel to the curing rack. The forklift transports the maintenance frame to the maintenance area. After curing for 6 hours under natural conditions, cut and trim. Cutting on-site display. Automatic unloading machine transport the cured plates to the production line. Longitudinal cutting. Automatic palletizing.